And welcome back. We are looking at a quick moving low pressure system moving through the area right now, and where we are seeing that low pressure just to the east, center to that low, is where we're seeing some of the heaviest snow, and that happens to be right now in the Fargo area. Take a look off the iCam there, and it is coming down quickly. This is not going to last very long. In fact, as you look at the radar in just 1 second, we'll see that we're on that back edge, but nevertheless, it's been pretty impressive the last half hour to hour with that snowfall coming down. 32 degrees is where we're sitting right now in Fargo. West-southwest wind at 10 miles per hour. Winter weather alerts. In this case, we're looking at an advisory. This is in Lake of the Woods, including Bemidji. And what we're seeing is the potential over the next, let's say 12 hours, though most of it will come over the next 4 to 5 hours, of 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches of snowfall. Could be pretty quick moving, a little bit of lake effect snow there, so just be aware of that. And then we have our wind advisory in effect, and that is for, again, areas like Harrington, Jamestown, down to Sisseton as well. So let's take a look at that satellite radar, and you can see low pressure spinning. You can actually see it right there, very visible on the satellite radar. And as mentioned, you look at Fargo up through about Grand Forks, just on the back edges. This continues to cycle off to the east. So if you're east of Fargo, Minnesota, there, you're going to find Detroit Lakes, Monaghan, excuse me, I said that completely wrong, and I'm not even going to try again. You know who you are. You're going to be getting that snow coming off to the east here in the next half hour to hour or so. We take a look at our wind speeds. Devil's Lake 33, Grand Forks 14, Fargo at 10, but you look off to the west, you see 41 in Oaks. Wind gust, the highest wind gust 56 miles per hour. Bismarck 21. We've seen the highest gust at 39 over the last hour, but actually earlier today we saw a gust in the mid 50s. So again, winds very strong off to the west. Snowfall potential. Overall, we're not going to see a whole lot of snow. What we're seeing is, for instance, in Fargo, it's coming down basically in one shot right now. We may see a little bit more later, but I think most areas just one time period where they've got kind of a quicker snowfall coming down out there. 32 degrees in Fargo, 28 right now in Grand Forks. We've got, again, upper 20s to low 30s across the region. Here goes that low pressure. I mentioned it's moving quick. It will continue to do so. So after midnight, most of the snow is out of the region, and certainly by tomorrow. And in fact, after a chilly low, I do think we're going to see a little bit of sunshine out there during the middle of the day before clouds start to move back in later tomorrow afternoon. A trick-or-treating forecast here is what we have for you. Bundle up. It is going to be chilly out there tomorrow evening. Temperatures generally in the mid-20s. Look at the forecast for the next 11 days. Tomorrow, a little breezy, as mentioned. Halloween, cold, 18 and 30. Then 21, 37 on Wednesday, 38 Thursday, 39 Friday. So we start to warm up a little bit. Then on Saturday, Sunday, mostly cloudy, highs in the upper 30s. And that trend will continue right through the early and middle part of next week. Right. Looks like I'm looking at the same thing over and over again. Exactly. Yeah. And I want to apologize, folks. I'm going to get the name of that town right. I'm going to look at it, and then later on, I'm going to say it correctly. We have some hard ones here. You're going to be so impressed. We do. Thanks, Russ.